Start by getting into a plank position with your hands underneath your shoulders and just a little bit wider than your body. And your feet can be together or body width apart, whatever you find most comfortable. Engage your core, tighten your quads and your glutes, and lower yourself so your elbows are at a 90-degree. More importantly, when you're doing your push-ups, you'll notice that my elbow is going down and back at a 45-degree angle. You want to avoid your elbows going straight out to the side or alongside your body. I always coach to try to do as many as you can on your toes and then drop down to your knees. Notice that I didn't even move my hands when I drop down to my knees. All I do is get down on my knees, get into a plank position, and start with my push-ups. It definitely takes time and practice to feel comfortable with push-ups, but here, make sure you're not doing these two popular mistakes I see with my clients. Number one is if you're using an ab mat and you put your hands on the edge of the mat, that's way too narrow. That's going to force your elbows to be alongside your body, which is called a tricep push-up, and that's a lot harder because the tricep's smaller. So definitely make sure that you are outside of your shoulders and your elbows are going back at a 45-degree angle, not against your body. And then, of course, make sure you're in a plank position. Get your butt out of the air, engage your core, and also use your legs and press through that palm using your chest.